Hi, I want to tell you a story from the 1999. I was around around me was the Rempler, yes, and I had a vision where I can see my future. So the Rempler did only take the lotto, shivers, and stocks, the best stocks in the world. I gave them for 6 years. But the Rempler not saved the life of the people in the vision. No, they not saved the life. They not saved the life. And so they do it because they don't want that I become a big star, a 2,000-year star. 2,000-year star. Yes. So they make it all secret, and because everybody around me is sleeping and not knew what's going on, they can do this. They can come to me with the best stocks in the year 2001, 2002, 2003, 2004, 2005, 2006. They come to me and I have to tell them what they show me. So they knew it in the 1999, of course, because I'm a 2,000-year star.